Identity theft is one of the most pervasive crimes of the 21st century. Every 2 seconds, another person becomes a victim of identity theft, with over $16 billion stolen from 12.7 million U.S. consumers just last year. Your identity and personal financial information are always at risk when using your ATM card, whether at a store, gas station, over the phone, or online. Identity thieves can place credit card skimming and PIN capturing devices on ATM card readers. And if you use your debit card, your bank account information could become exposed and your hard-earned money stolen as a result. Use a credit card instead, whenever possible, to limit your liability and risk. If you ever use public Wi-Fi hotspots at fast food restaurants or coffee shops, look out for fake Wi-Fi spots called honey spots set up by hackers. They can steal your sensitive and personal information, open credit card and loan accounts in your name, and stick you with the debt. Ever lost your wallet or had your computer hacked into? If your Social Security number becomes compromised, identity thieves can file fraudulent tax returns in your name and steal your money. Never, ever give out your Social Security number to anyone other than a party you highly trust. ID theft crime does not always have to be high-tech. Did you know 30% of identity theft victims are scammed by family members and close friends? The high level of access to sensitive information that perpetrators have is the key in these crimes. Open a phishing email, visit questionable websites, give out your sensitive information online. All of these could compromise your personal data. While it may not always be possible to stop all identity theft 100% of the time, you should do the best you can to protect yourself and safeguard your identity.